Hello everybody, good evening and welcome back to the Financial Statements Excel spreadsheet. We're nearly halfway through the balance sheet and nearly halfway through the financial statements. So now I'm going to move on and calculate the accounts payable. Okay, here it is. Okay, bank notes payable is the next step to calculate. Okay, total current liabilities. And those two together. Get the similar answers to C, D, and E. Now calculate the long-term debt. Okay, shareholders' equity. This will be a long one. Okay, do another calculation. That's very good. Now, total liabilities, the last sum function table on the balance sheet. Oh, I forgot about that. Total long-term debt and shareholders. Okay, do that first. See, nearly forgot about that. Okay, B21 plus B22. So that's the answer for the total long-term debt and shareholders' equity. Okay, now we're on the total liabilities. Total current liabilities plus total long-term debt and shareholders' equity. Yeah, that's the balance sheet completely finished. Next sheet is going to be the income. And calculates the sales on the income statement sheet. Okay, less costs. That's COGS. Next one is going to be gross profit. Less SGIE expenses. Okay, now we're on to the less depreciation. Earnings before interest and taxes. Hmm? Okay, next one is the less interest expense. Pre-tax income is the next step. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is to calculate the cumulative pre-tax income. Next thing is taxes. This will be an if statement required. So far, there's nothing so far about incomes and cash flows and taxes. So, that is the correct answer. That's how to get the actual answer for the taxes. Includes max statements that includes on operations and income sheets. Again, it is a long if statement. So that's how they do taxes. Okay, let's move on and do pre-tax income once again. Okay, less taxes. And net income. Just adding the pre-tax income and the less taxes together. And here's a note that says that net operating losses can be carried forward or backwards. There is a limit on the number of years they can be carried forward or backwards, but this is not incorporated into the spreadsheet. Well, it looks like we're in one last spreadsheet left. It is called cash flows. And a net income with the four step to calculate in the cash flow sheet. Yeah, plus depreciation. Less increase in inventory. Well, so that's it for now. So in the next video, I will finish off and complete this financial statements video and move on to less increase in accounts receivable. So thank you all for watching this. Have a good, pleasant evening. Wash your hands, stay safe, and I'll see you all very soon. Adios.